here to talk about the dreaded dipstick adapter leak. Hey, Mitch with 7.3 Dipstick, here to talk about the dreaded dipstick adapter leak. Everybody with a 7.3 knows about it or will know about it. You need yourself a holding tool, remove the dipstick. This is what actually causes the failure, is the O-ring failing. Obviously it's slightly more difficult in the truck, but for demonstration purposes, we'll show you get the new or the factory nut off, turn it and remove the O-ring. You will not be reusing an O-ring on the inside because the failure is from rubber and oil. Rubber and oil don't mix. Once you get that off, clean the pan. You will apply silicone at the threads of the dipstick adapter. We will turn this so you can see it. You will put the silicone at the adapter. See if I can hold it here with one hand. After your bead of silicone is on there, you'll install the gasket. You will install the washer. You will install the nut. Hardest part everybody messes up is getting this nut started. It's very small, it's very thin. Take your time. Once you get it lined up and started, by the way, I'm not left-handed, I'm right-handed, so it's adding to the element of difficulty. You will tighten it down until you see the silicone squeeze out around here. On the mock-up demonstration, you can see the silicone has come out. That tells you that you have gotten the silicone within the working limits of what it's spec'd for. The smaller nut, it's half the thickness of the stock nut, allows the dipstick tube to go back in the hole. When you're done with the hole, you will remove your holding tool, let it cure, reinstall the dipstick. Should take you about an hour. You don't have to pull the engine, you don't have to drop the pan, nothing. For roughly right in the neighborhood of a $100 bill and about an hour of your time, you can permanently fix this leak. The advantages of the 7.3 dipstick kit is you no longer have oil touching rubber. The silicone will not absorb the oil, so it provides a barrier between the rubber gasket and the oil that is inside your pan. You no longer have rubber parts inside the pan. Once it is cured, it is a 100% permanent leak. About an hour of your time, about a $100 bill. Any questions? 73dipstick.com. Email address, everything's on there. Ask away.